What up? All right, so this here is a little tutorial on how to reel up a cable onto a reel. A lot of people say, well, how do you spool that up or how do you reel that up without getting a big old rat's nest at the reel? I'm gonna show you a trick. Old man taught me this. This is a cable for the remote, but it could be your lead, it could be extension cord, it could be whatever. You're at the end of the day and you're ready to drag up. You got all 125 foot spooled out. Grab this end right here. You heading back to the truck with it. Hold on to it. Let's go back to the reel. You're carrying it with you. Don't try to pick up any of the other cable. Just let it drag, let it follow up with you. I'll show you what you do. Pass the phone off to my beautiful assistant. I still got the end of it. I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna start spooling this up just like this. I'm gonna make a big old pile of it right here. I would like for y'all to take note of my proper footwear, PPE. It is OSHA approved in some states, but not many. All right, so I made a big old nest right here. Now, come around here so you can see this. Now, I'm gonna take my cable and I'm gonna start spooling. And Sherry, if you'll take note, come around here behind and shine through my legs and watch this pile. Get the whole big pile of that big dookie right here. When I spool it up, it's gonna come right off the top. Make sure you get that bump on. Nice and neat. As you can see, that's an easy way to spool it up. Makes a nice clean roll up. You ain't got to be fighting and messing with a big old rat's nest. Holler at me if you got any more questions you want to see exhibited.